we have already learned how we can add the different 4-digit numbers. Now let us add these two 4-digit numbers. So I have 5668 plus 1033, that is 5668 plus 1033. So for adding these two numbers, I need to write the numbers one below the other so that I can add the respective digits. Now, what exactly happens when I add the digits? So in this lecture, we will understand the magic of addition. Why do we actually follow the steps which we perform while adding two numbers? So let us see. This number is 5668. So there is a thousands place, there is a hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Now, this number has 5 thousands. So I can also write 5 like this in the thousands place. This represents 5 thousands. It has 6 hundreds. So 6 hundreds. Again 6 tens. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And it has 8 ones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So the number 5668 can also be written using the place values in this manner. This is actually another way of writing this number. And now I need to add 1033. That means 1000. So I have 1 in the thousands place. There is 0 in the hundreds place. Now 0 hundreds means no hundreds. So I will not have anything in the hundreds place for this number. 3 in the tens place. So I have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3 tens. 3 in the ones place. So I have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. And now I need to add these two. So this addition is actually another way of writing this. Now let us add the digits. So we know that I start with the rightmost digit, that is the digit in the ones place. So I will start with the digit in the ones place. Now I have 8 and 3 in the ones place. What is 8 plus 3? 8 plus 3 is 11. Now 11 means 1 tens and 1 ones. So I write 1 in the ones place and 1 tens is written in the tens place. We also say that we are carrying 1 to the place on the left. So if I am adding the digits in the ones place, I am carrying 1. But why exactly are we carrying this one? It will become clear over here. Let us see. So now I need to add these two. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I write 11 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 here in the ones place. Now I know that 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. So I cannot have more than 9 of anything in one place. As soon as I have more than 9, that is as soon as I have 10 of anything, it shifts to the place on the left. So 10 ones from here, these 10 ones will combine together or group together and shift to the tens place. So instead of writing 10 ones here, I can write 1 here. So I can add 1. So this is why we are carrying 1 to the tens place. This is the same as these 10 ones grouping together or coming together and shifting to the tens place. That is why I am taking this one tens over here and carrying it to the tens place. So this is what I have. I am left with 1 here. And there is another one. This is actually the carry one which I have. Now I need to add the digits in the tens place. So if I add the digits in the tens place here, I have 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Now once again, 10 tens means 0 tens and 100. I carry 1 in the hundreds place. So I say that I am carrying 1. Let us add them here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what I have. But I know that a place cannot have more than 9. But we have a group of 10 here. So when I have 10, they come together as a group. These 10 come together as a group and they shift here. That is to the place to the left. And I have this one. This is the carry one, which is what we are doing here. So I don't have anything here. All have been grouped together. So I don't have anything here, which means I have 0. There is 1 which is carried. There is 1 which is carried to the hundreds place. So it is the same thing. So this is what we have. This one is actually what we carried from here, and we don't have anything here, which means 0 in the tens place. Next, I need to add the digits in the hundreds place. So hundreds place has 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. What if I add these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the hundreds place. So this is what we have. Next, I move to the thousands place. Now for thousands place, I have 5 plus 1, 6. Over here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what we have. So 6. So now these two are actually the same things. Two different ways of writing the same thing. Two different ways of performing the same addition. And see, the answers are also the same. We have 6, 7, 0, 1 here. And over here also, I have 6, 7, nothing means 0 and 1. So I get the same answer. But now I know why we perform these steps. So now instead of mechanically performing these steps, we know why are we carrying this one to the place on the left. So this is how you can add not just two 4-digit numbers, but any two numbers having any number of digits. We start from the place on the right, that is the ones place, add the digits. If the answer is more than 9, then 1 is carried to the place on the left. Now we need to add these two. So can you add these two on your own? So I have 6903 plus 2997. The first step is to write the digits one below the other. 6903. Now I need to write the respective places. 6 is in thousands place. Over here 2 is in the thousands place. 9 is in the hundreds place. This 9 is in the hundreds place. 0 is in the tens place. Again we have 9 in the tens place. 3 is in the ones place here. So I have 7 in the ones place. And I need to add these two. So how can I add? First the ones place. 3 plus 7 gives me 10. So I write 0 here. And 1 is carried. Now I know why it is done. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. And 1 plus 9 is 10. So 0 is here and 1 is carried. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. So I write 9 here and 1 is carried again. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the answer is 9,900. This is the answer. And you see the steps are very similar to how we added 3-digit numbers. Now These are two large numbers. This is a 6-digit number. This is a 5-digit number. But don't be scared by looking at these numbers. Adding them is actually very simple and very similar to how we added the 4-digit numbers. So first, let us write the 6-digit number on top. So I have 7, 7, 6, 3, 1, 2. Now this is a 5-digit number. So 3 is in the 10,000s place. This 7 is in the lakhs place. This 7 is in the 10,000s place. So I will write 3 below this 7. So remember, I will not write 3 here. I will write 3 below this 7 because I need to write the digits in their respective places. This 7 is in the 10,000s place. So I write 3 in the 10,000s place. Now 7 is in the thousands place, 0 in the hundreds place, 9 in the tens place, and 2 in the ones place. And I need to add these two. So I start with the rightmost digits. I have 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 9 gives me 10. So 0 of 10 comes here and 1 is carried over. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 0 is also 4. 6 plus 7 is 13. So 3 comes here and 1 is carried over. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So I write 1 and 1 is carried over. 1 plus 7 is 8. So this is the answer. 813404. This is the answer of addition. Not just 6 and 5-digit numbers. No matter how many digits are there, you can add any two numbers or even more than two numbers. You can add 3, 4, any number of numbers using this method. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.